I revealed the secret of the brigadier, sold in the courses by the confectioners. Do with only 3 ingredients. In a pan, preferably non-stick, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 100 grams of milk powder, and now mix until smooth. And remember to mix with the fire off. Then add 200 grams of milk cream. Now we can turn on the fire and we are going to move exactly for 11 minutes. Leave the fire at maximum temperature and do not let it burn. It's essential not to stop stirring at any time. This is the ideal point, sticking out of the pan. Look how beautiful it is. Now just move on to a plastic film. Then cover the brigadier well, and we'll start that way. Refrigerate to cool, and as soon as it cools, remove the plastic film. Notice it doesn't stick at all. And look how amazing it is. Wet your hands with a little water and start modeling. Here I will model every brigadier, weighing 15 grams. If you don't have a scale, do it the way you want, but if you do to sell, I recommend it to regret. Here the process is simple and will just roll. It's going to stay that way. Now just pass the milk powder. And look how perfect it looks. Do it at your home, that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, delicious recipe and what you can make to earn an extra money. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.